Most high-achieving professionals are not overwhelmed because they are not working hard. They're overwhelmed because they are carrying too much mentally. Emails, meetings, deadlines, decisions, personal responsibilities, and constant mental tabs open all day long. But what if you stopped trying to hold everything in your brain and started using AI as a personal assistant? When most people hear artificial intelligence, they think about robots replacing humans. But that's not the most practical use of AI right now. The most powerful use is using AI to reduce mental overload. Think of AI as an assistant that helps organize your thinking, prioritize tasks, draft ideas, summarize information, and save you time on repetitive mental work. The goal is not to stop thinking. The goal is to stop drowning in unnecessary cognitive load. Let's look at 5 ways AI can act as your personal assistant. First, email drafting. Instead of spending 30 minutes writing difficult emails, AI can help create professional drafts in seconds. You still review it. 2, daily planning. You can ask AI to organize your day, prioritize tasks, and even build a schedule around your goals. 3, meeting summaries. AI can summarize long notes, extract action items, and simplify information quickly. 4, brain dumping. One of the most underrated uses of AI is mental unloading. You can literally tell AI everything on your mind and ask it to organize the chaos. 5, decision support. AI can help compare options, structure decisions, and reduce decision fatigue, especially for busy professionals. Many high achievers spend years believing they simply need better discipline, but often the real issue is cognitive overload. The brain was never designed to carry this much information constantly. And this is why AI matters. Not because it replaces human intelligence, but because it supports human capacity. The professionals who learn how to use AI wisely may gain back hours every single week, not just in productivity, but in mental clarity. Gain back your time and your focus. But there's something important to understand. AI should support your thinking, not replace it. Always use judgment. Always verify important information. And never rely blindly on technology. The strongest professionals will not be the ones who avoid AI. They will be the ones who learn how to use it responsibly, mastering the tools while keeping your judgment sharp. Are 5 AI tools busy professionals should learn. First, ChatGPT, a thinking partner for planning and writing. 2, Notion AI. It can help organize projects, notes, and tasks all in one place. One central hub for your professional life. 3, Grammarly. Helps professionals improve emails and communication quickly, ensuring every word lands with impact. 4, Order.ai. Summarizes meetings and captures notes, reducing the burden of manual documentation. 5, Canva AI. Helps create presentations and visual content faster, turning complex ideas into professional graphics. Goal is not to become dependent on technology. The goal is to stop wasting mental energy on repetitive tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. The future belongs to professionals who combine human intelligence with modern tools. So if you're tired of carrying everything mentally, it may be time to stop working harder and start working smarter. Subscribe for more strategies on AI, mental clarity, burnout recovery, and high performance living. I'll see you in the next video.